Assalamualaikum. My topic of presentation is COVID-19 impact on brain, and I present here as assistant professor from Immunology department, Immunology, and along with the been signed as the national president of All Indian Anatomy Congress. To just PPT that says that COVID-19 is more than just the lung, that we have that mostly it is the respiratory symptom that should make the person liable to go for COVID testing. But apart from respiratory symptoms, we see that there is something more to it, and there are other symptoms from apart from respiratory that are significantly regarding that the person is infected from the COVID with the coronavirus, and it is affect more than just the lungs. And it has been observed that it can also cause the gastric problem. It can also be neuroinvasive too, because some of the findings has been observed in the IPD duties by different doctors has suggested that when they were giving the antibiotics for respiratory symptoms for the COVID patients, the patients were responding, but still there were some agitation or anxiety type of symptoms that were there in the patients. So for that they have given them anxiolytic drugs and the sedative drugs, and there was profound promising results that has been found in the patient. So it was found that apart from the respiratory, there are some other neural symptoms also, and there are some neuropsychiatric complications too that are there in the COVID patient. And it is very important to look after, because we are now knowing that the global toll has crossed 13 million mark, and we should not focus only for the respiratory symptoms. We should look for more, and we should think that the virus impacts the entire body, and it triggers a wide range of neurological symptoms. And although there can be other classification which can be officially justified, but as far as my personal opinion, I says that it can be classified into three, like in pre-COVID patients, pre-COVID person, it is psychological impact due to the lockdown or due to the socio-economic loss that has been faced by many of the population, that there has been many stress, like in small children. We are seeing that in online classes they have been assigned a lot of work that has been on mobile. In usual days we are not allowing our children to have mobile for more than 5 minutes, but now we are bound to give them mobile, so it is going to impact their brain, their growth also. So this impact on brain can be seen in pre-COVID condition. In COVID patient, obviously there was psychological impact of the coronavirus, and apart from that we can also see in the post-COVID persons also, because of the financial loss that has been seen, or there's some pressure also. There is psychological impact of the coronavirus after that. It's just assignment part, so I'm just stopping over here. Thank you so much. It's a part of assignment of FDP Moodle. Thank you.